Hello, everyone. The last message I have given was for gratitude for all the Canadians who ever helped me in this journey of my 8 years of being Canadian. This was something which I really felt deeply from the bottom of my heart during these 8 years. And this country actually taught me so much. And this learning process is mandatory for each and every individual in their lives. Why I'm saying that? Because if you are open for learning, then sky is the limit. Because I have accomplished so much with that aspect of learning. When you are open for learning, you can be anything. You can achieve anything. You can accomplish so many goals which you have might considered in your life that you want to do it, but you can't. But when you are open for learning, instead of questioning or complaining, then believe me, whatever I have earned or accomplished, it's because of that fact. And there are so many angels involved in that, which I'm going to, I think, name it somehow, but I need their permissions first to call up for their names publicly, which is a privacy issue, I know. I'm a very law-abiding citizen, by the way. Anyway, I wrote a message for New Year for everyone, which you might like it. If you like it, then please share it with someone who actually needs that message, or who might click with me, or who can get aligned with me. So I'm actually going to say something which I wrote. With my deepest gratitude for my journey towards meditation and self-awareness, I wish you everyone sorry, I don't understand what I wrote because my writing is not that good. Please bear with me. Wish you everyone. Yes. Okay. I'm going to repeat it. With my deepest gratitude for my journey towards meditation and self-awareness, I wish you everyone conscious, and the conscious was the word where I stuck. Actually, I wrote like this. I couldn't even read it. That's why I told you my writing is bad. So that was my emotions, by the way, which were reflecting in this. I wrote sometimes when I'm over emotional, I don't write it clearly. So I just give a hint. Okay. I wish you everyone conscious and productive new year ahead. May 2026 be a year of unity, compassion, collective growth, and I believe in this and you believe me. We can do it together. Keep it in mind. Keep safe. And also, one more thing which I want to actually acknowledge inside the Fortinos where I been to, which was I was trying to get help from someone who is a store manager here on Highway 50 Fortinos. And I was trying to get access for giving a message loud and clear in the store for whatever I have experienced. It was just a 1 minute message which I want to convey. I have also written that. Let me read that also for you. So in these times of the year, like when we call the winter holidays are here for a reason. The reason is, what I figured out is, maybe someone who has that kind of mindset or ideology, they are going to click with me or connect. By saying that, meaning is, when these winter holidays comes, these are here to give us a very strong and wide message for the whole humanity. It is not for Canada only. It is for the whole world. This means these days are for pause, to reflect, to analyze whatever had been in the past year, like the whole year in 2025, or it can be 2024, or now it's going on 26. So we should actually pause for 1 minute and reflect on yourself. Whatever's happened in the year, I know there are so many bad things happened with everybody. Maybe that was also happened with me. I discussed that earlier. But the whole point here is you should acknowledge yourself. Okay, whatever it's done in the past, just forget it there and move on. Move on to the new year. Move on to the new year with good vibes, with positive energy, with strength, with wisdom, and do something for your nation. This is my small message. If anybody clicked with that, please spread it, because this is something is required nowadays. Thank you so much.